Hey everyone, so one of the great things about the Balisong community is the fact that it's growing, which increases the demand for Balisongs, which in turn has increased the supply of them, not just in quantity but also in variety. Because of this, especially for newcomers into the community, it can be a bit overwhelming when trying to decide which Balisong to buy due to the abundance of brands, models, styles, and opinions about them. Luckily I, Barkus the Wise, have decided to lend my expertise to the Balisong community and make this video on the top 5 Balisongs I think you should buy. So, without further ado, let's start with number 5. Coming in at number 5 is the DNK Shark Butterfly Multifunctional Tool Bally Bottle Opener. This Balisong is great because it combines the handles of a TAC 3 with the blade of another combination of a Mako and a multi-tool. If you need something to tighten tiny hex nuts and open bottles, and if you want to look cool as hell while doing it, look no further than here. At number 4, we've got the MS Gumaho Practice Finger Strength Stick with spring-loaded latch and extra screw and screwdriver for beginner. Now don't let the fact that it's got "for beginner" in the product name fool you. This thing will stay with you even after you've worked out multiple sponsorship deals. Don't let the fact that it's a finger strength stick fool you either. This thing flips like it's a Balisong. One of my favorite aspects of this guy is they didn't have to pay anyone to design this finger strength stick, since they just used the bare bones template, which helped keep the cost down. Now number 3 is actually a personal favorite of mine. Here we've got the Andex Land Curved Comb Stainless Steel Tricks Practice Tool for Flip Spring Latch Red, which is of course a CSGO style Balisong. Where this one differs from the other CSGO knives, however, is with its integrated and innovative convex comb design. Since both this comb and most human heads are convex, this ensures that you won't comb too much of your hair at the same time by minimizing the area of contact between the Balisong and your head. In second place is the Flip Tricks Tool Folding Practice Tool Stainless Steel for Game Fans Golden, which is jovially referred to in the Balisong community as the MC Escher because of its picture on the product listing. As you can see, this Alpha Beast knockoff appears to come pre-bent, with one handle flush with the blade as the other goes off askew. This Balisong is a little bit more expensive than some of the others on this list because of that unique quality. And coming in at number 1 is the Balisong with the name that just won't quit. The Butterfly Knife Trainer Balisong Trainer Practice Butterfly Knife Balisong Butterfly Knives, not real, not sharp blade, black dull trick butterfly knives, Butterfly Knife Training CSGO KO1A. As you can hear, this Balisong is not short on name, nor is it short on features. With a spring latch, a triple tang pin design, a straight trainer blade, and slightly curved handles with style influences borrowed from the Alpha Beast, this Balisong is by far the best bang for your $12 buck. It even comes with a free ebook. This Bally is great especially for those shy flippers out there, as it comes with subtle flips and stealth capabilities. Its attractive design for any taste seals its spot at number 1 on this list. So I hope you all found this video helpful, and if you're looking to pick up your first, second, or even your 50th Balisong, let me know what you think about my choices in the comments. Thanks for watching, and keep flipping.